Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today we have an unbagging and I really don't know what this is, mainly because the only thing I'm expecting is a custom painting from Fansells that I'm missing. I have been in touch with Fansells, if you saw my huge unboxing the other day, and they said they will send me the items that I'm missing, which is brilliant, and they said that my custom was on the way. So it's my Rolls and Chills one, so I'm hoping that's what it is. So let's get into this bag and have a look. Let's oh, I can't do it that side. This is a really strange shaped bag, so let me just get into this end. Oh, that's going to take some doing. Okay, so we've got one very flat thing. Oh goodness. Okay, so are these the things I was missing that they said had already been sent and I'd not received, and I've now said I haven't received them? Okay, oh dear. This could possibly, oh my goodness, I can't get it out. Hang on. Oh heck. Guess I'll be emailing again and saying, oh, sorry. But I did say, well, I'm sure I asked what had been sent with. Yeah, so that's, oh, heck and all. Okay, so that's item number 2. So these are the items I was missing from my Fansells order. Right, I'll have to get in touch with them, hope they haven't. I'll have to get in touch with them and hope they haven't already sent these out. They said they were going to resend them. Flipping heck. Right, so this will be my Rolls and Chills custom. Okay, so what shall we look at first? Let's look at these first. Oh dear. Sorry Fansells, as I say, when I looked, oh, excuse the hand, I managed to burn myself on the oven. Taking some stuff out of the oven, so I thought you didn't want to see, it's not Halloween yet, so you didn't want to see hand injuries. I have got a bruise on this finger as well. Been one of those weeks. Right, so yeah, sorry Fansells. When they sent the order out and I opened it up, I did see that I had some items missing, and then I went onto the website and it showed everything was shipped apart from a custom. So I contacted them and just said, I haven't got my custom, but these items are missing out of the parcel. And they said, you know, was it damaged, blah blah, back and forward. Anyway, they said, oh well, they will. I said, well, can you send the items out with my custom? And they said, well, no, it's already been shipped. So I don't know, just a breakdown in communications, a misunderstanding, but they've been very, very nice and very, very quick to get back to me. So thumbs up for Fansells customer service. I am impressed with them. So let's have a look at this one. This is something a little bit different, and when I saw it, sorry, wait for the crinkling to stop. When I saw it, I just thought, right, I'm going to get that, have a look at that. And it's a little bag with a little unicorn on. Look at that. Sorry, I've got a bit of glare there, but it's like a paint. We used to call it paint and leather. It's like a real, I mean, it's not leather, but it's like a real shiny. If you got a pair of shoes that were like this black shiny shoes, you know, they were really all the rage when I was little, and you just loved to say we called them paint and leather. Or paint on leather, or patent leather. I'm not quite sure how it was pronounced, but yeah. So this is a lovely little sort of handbag, and it's quite a big size as well. Nice little handles there, and we've got a zip that goes all the way over the top, which is wonderful. So I've not seen one of these. Sorry, it's not showing up brilliantly with it being a black bag, but I think you'll get quite a bit in there. We've got the diamonds and the toolkit in there, but I think you can see. You see in there? It's all sort of like gusseted all the way around. We've got quite a nice depth there. There's no pockets or anything. Actually, it's like, see, oh, you can see it there, look, it's like silvery inside, so I wonder if it's like one of those insulated, like, picnic bags. You know, you can put like a drink and you're packing up in there. Yeah, it feels as though it's insulated, so oh, that's lovely. Oh, quite looking forward to doing that. It's a shame it didn't come for smashing the specials, which we've just finished. But yeah, so that's a nice little handbag. Let's have a look at the toolkit and the drills. So we've just got your basic pen, wax and boat, your single placer there, and we've got a pair of the plastic tweezers. Do you ever use these plastic tweezers? Have you used them? If you have, let me know in the comments. So yeah, I mean, it's enough to do it. I mean, this would make a great present for a little girl or a big girl even. I mean, I think that's super. I love that. Nice smiley unicorn there. Okay, and it looks like it's all special drill. I'll put all the details down below. So I wasn't expecting these. I thought these were going to come in a separate bag, but never mind. Okay, just a very big misunderstanding. I'll have to see what Fansells say when I get into it. Oh, right, look at that one. That's like a deeper midnight blue. I usually get, I think they're maybe a little bit bigger. And then you've got hot pink, and a couple of golds. So the green and the blue. And oh, they're different. They're like sort of a real cherry red. A very different colour. Okay. And then like your standard red, and then your little teardrops. And your AB coated, your Aurora Borealis coated. So yeah, so let's just do a couple of measurements on this bag, because as I say, it is a nice size. So we'll measure the front, because that's sort of like the size of it there. Okay, so from the, we'll do the bottom because that's the widest part. So it's 23.5 centimetres, which is about 9¼ inches that way. So that's a really nice size. You'd get a little mini iPad in there. I don't think you'd get a full size one. And that one is 19 centimetres, nearly 20 centimetres, which is nearly 8 inches there. Let's just measure this base, because this is a really deep base on this. So I think it's possibly one of those insulated ones. I've obviously not read it properly. Oh, Fancy Liz not reading something properly before she orders. So that's 13 centimetres, which is about 5 inches, so really good depth. And your handles from the bag to the widest point go, oh, let's have a look, what's that, about, again, 13 centimetres, about 5 inches. So, yeah, but nice for a little girl, or if I ever, although I don't think I will be now, but if I ever have to go back to the office, or quite often when we go to hospital, we're there quite a lot, when I take hubby. And yeah, I do take drinks and things and a little snack, because you can be there hours, and I'm not paying the vending machine prices, but also as well, I think with COVID I've gone off vending machines, to be fair. Well, I have for now anyway. So I always take like a little bag, and this will be great, because if this is insulated, which I'm sure it is, with it being sort of the silvery colour inside, and it is definitely padded, then yeah, I'll be able to keep the drinks and things cool. Definitely get quite a few cans in there. I reckon you'd get maybe 6 cans, possibly 6 cans in there. Yeah, okay, well, I'm impressed with that, like that. So first thing I'll be doing when I finish this video is getting onto my emails and giving Fansells a quick email and saying, oh dear, those items I said was missing have just turned up with my custom. Oh, I'm easily confused. Don't confuse me. I think you can probably tell what this is. It looks really fun. We do like to get a little bit dressed up at Christmas. So yeah, we've got a Santa hat. And actually it's a snowman on the Santa hat there, look. And you just diamond paint a little snowman with a lovely smiley face. It's reasonable quality. It's one that you'd maybe pick up from those shops that just use 1 coin for. But it has got the diamond painting on the front, so that makes it a little bit extra for you. Again, very basic toolkit. pen, wax and boat. And then there's just 4 colours, which are your red, your silver, your green and your gold, which is what you would expect really. I mean, it's teeny tiny to do, but yeah, a nice clear drill field and everything. That's just a little extra. I'll have to get 2 though, because if I'm wearing one, then hubby's got to wear one, and possibly we might have to get Millie the Scotty one as well, but who knows, all sorts going in this house, you never know. So we'll pop that in there and pop it back in its little bag in a second. And then this one, okay, oops, all sealed. How am I getting into this one? There's the scissors. Okay, have a look. Oh, I feel so guilty now, but it's not entirely my fault. As I say, I did email Fansells and I did say. Anyway, look, basic toolkit's just popped out there. So this is something that I wanted. I've got everything out. Yes, everything's out. Okay, so let's have a look. This is a Christmas tree, and it comes with a nice stand. Oh, we've got the extra bit of plastic, look, that's been cut out from there. Or I hope that's the extra bit of plastic and it's not broken. I think it's probably an extra bit. We'll see. We'll see. So we've got your Christmas tree, which, is that broken? No, it's not broken. It's just got a bit bent. It's got the white covering on the back, so you can see it's a swirly one. So yeah, you won't see your diamonds coming through. I quite often find I have a real difficulty with the depth of field on Perspex items sometimes, because unless you put them directly on top, and you're working from on top, then I tend to find that they look wonky. And if you do it slightly from a side, and I'm forever then relining them up, relining the gems up, and then I have to go back and reline them again, and it drives me mad, to be honest. But I think when they've got the white background on, they don't quite do that so much. So it clips into, you've got your little oval base there. So that's, when it's done, is going to clip into there so that it stands up. You can see, sorry, it's really glary, it's really reflecting. So you've got your little base there. And then you get your little owl, like bauble. Oops. Your owl bauble there, which is really sweet. I'm definitely on an owl theme, aren't I? Seems to be Scotty dogs, owls and tigers seems to be the main theme in this house. I don't know why I'm so drawn to owls, but they're just so cute. And that looks like a little family of owls. And then you've got your little bit of twine, which is a nice gold colour, which will go through your hanging bauble there. And then we've got, have we got a hole in there? Oh right, okay, so I was thinking it would have a hole on this bit here, but it hasn't, so you must just tie it and then hang it from there, and then, oops, it will just hang and move. So it's just a little bit interactive, that one, which is quite sweet. Just thought that was something a little bit different for Christmas, to go with my other 1001 different things that I've got for Christmas. So what's this then? What is this? We've got like a little, is this double? This is like a little bit of double-sided canvas that they've sent me extra. I wonder if that's in case, I wonder if that's maybe to stick on the bottom. That's maybe to put across the bottom. No, it's just about long enough. Odd. Okay, so we've got that extra bit, which I think is the laser cut piece that's come out of the bottom. If you can see that there. That's, so we've got a couple of odd bits with this, but we will hang on to them. You never know when you need them. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the drills on this one. Okay, so, oh, these look nice. Wow, these are all special drill. Lots of different ones and special shapes. So We've got an AB coated silver, which is lovely. It's got a real blue ice colour to that one. We've got your AB coated little white pearls. We've got green gems and another green gem. They're both the same colour, so that's going to be the tree, I would think. We've got some gold gems and some red and some lovely aqua blue and hot pink. Some very, teeny tiny red marquees. Some AB coated marquees and some smaller AB coated marquees. Some half sphere little gold. They're like, yeah, they're not faceted, those. And then some large like snowball, half snowballs with an AB coating. And then some large ovals, large green ovals. They look really good. Where are they going to go then? Looks like we've got one right at the top here. I wonder if that's just the one then and they've sent us 4. That would be very nice if they have, because we do like extras. Okay. So that's that one. Right, I think what I'm going to do is end this here, because I really wanted to focus a bit more on my custom. So I'm going to end this video here and I'll do a part 2 so that you can see my custom for my drills and chills. Okay, so we've got a bag then, we've got a hat, and we've got a little Christmas tree with a swingy bauble on it. If you've enjoyed it, please press the like button, and if you want to see these completed and then see my unboxing of my drills and chills custom, then if you press the subscribe and the little bell next to it, you'll be notified when my next videos come up. But thanks for stopping by. See you all again soon. Bye for now.